Make sure you always recess your channel drains, and this is a big 24-inch round driveway drain. So the guys, they dug really deep. We got a 48-inch, 24-inch round basin right there. It could pour extremely hard and our discharge line fall a little behind. This is a beautiful reservoir. I don't have to ever worry about the water overtaking the system and going into the garage. So the guys recessed. You could see how they cut this concrete out, recessed this grate, and now the water is just like a funnel into this driveway drain. That's how you install a driveway drain. All right, guys, until the next video.